Do you have a laptop or desktop with only a few ports on it and you're looking for some USB type expansion? Well, the Hauyate could be for you. Manual. So nothing else is included but the USB-C hub. So good build quality, you have the rounded corners and it's like an aluminum brushed steel look, but it does actually feel metal or aluminum or like a special type of plastic. So first off, you have your HDMI if you wanted to get some expansion for your displays. A lot of these will actually give you another monitor. So say if you have a laptop that will only do one monitor, using one of these sometimes will allow you to use two monitors, especially if they have display link built in. This one doesn't. You have so that's like a daisy chain or another link to another USB-C powered, adapter. You have your SD card reader and a smaller memory card reader. You've got your logo, and you have your USB 2 and USB 3.0 ports. Short cord, but you don't really need it to be far. It's the reversible USB-C. Cable seems kind of flimsy a bit, but you do have a strong connector here, so it's not going to pop out. And yeah, you have no anti-slips on it. Oh, awesome. So you have the gigabit Ethernet on the side too. So some laptops won't even have Ethernet anymore because they want a slimmer profile. So if you have maybe just a USB-C and you're looking to add a whole bunch of stuff, and a lot of laptops these days definitely don't come with card readers, you're gonna need a card reader anyways. Maybe you got one of the coolest laptops ever and you don't have an HDMI port, so this could be perfect for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick look unboxing review, and I hope you have a fantastic day.